Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a whole cart of all this magic, 5 jars of peanut butter and some crackers completely for free. Oh my gosh. So we're going to look at this at two different stores, and if you can do this today, which is the 28th, which is Tuesday, it is this day only. This is working hand in hand with the Fetch Rewards app, and Fetchtopia is offering double the points on select items or sometimes even triple. And it ends on the 28th, which is Tuesday. So you have to do these deals if they are still in your app today. So the first store that we're at is Walmart, and I'm just going to show you some of the prices and some of the points, and then just jog you through it. So we have this peanut butter on a rollback for $2.78, and the fetch rebate is for 4,000 points back, which is $4. So it makes it free plus a $1.22 moneymaker. You can do that a limit of 2 times. Another peanut butter deal is with the Smuckers Natural for $4.12. We have 5,000 points back with the Fetch Rewards app, making this free plus an 88-cent moneymaker. You can do this up to 3 times. So, I mean, make it happen, guys. I mean, this is just such a great deal. And then the final deal that I did was with the premium crackers, and they are $2.98. So you're going to have to buy 2 of them, and 3,500 points back. My husband does eat these, so that's why I grabbed them. So just to show you, you can do these separately, all together. I did them all together. Again, today's the last day for this deal. 2 of those peanut butters for $5.56, 3 Smuckers for $12.36, and then 2 Nabisco crackers for $5.96 for a total of $23.88. So I paid that, and then Fetch Rewards gave me back like $26.50 in points, making this free plus a $2.62 moneymaker. This is a fantastic deal. Even if you just wanted to buy all this stuff to donate it to a local food bank, or if you just wanted it for your pantry, I think most of us, that's where it's going to end. It's just absolutely fantastic. So go and do this deal ASAP. And Walmart, the prices are really, really affordable. Okay, and just to show you guys, here's my fetch. I got $26.50 back. I recommend that you double, triple check. Do you have the same rebates as I? What are the points? And remember, it is for today, which is Tuesday, October the 28th only. Now, alternatively, if you want to do this deal over at Walgreens, see that peanut butter right in the center for $4.49? This week, those are on sale. 2 for $8. If you might have some register rewards or Walgreens cash that you wish to use, you can do this deal so much cheaper than over at Walmart. Now, just to show you, it is 2 for $8. So definitely open up the app, scan that barcode. You have to track down 2 of them for this deal. And, even if you have a register reward and a couple bucks in Walgreens cash, maybe that's the way to do it. And again, with this, you're getting back 4,000 points for each of them. And each of these are $4 per unit. So it just makes it an even Steven freebie with a limit of 2. I could not track down those saltine crackers at my store, but you might want to look for them. Possibly you can make something happen with that. And I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. So again, this is the 28th only. If you're near Walgreens or doing a curbside pickup, pick up your peanut butter too. 2 of these is $8, and then you're going to photograph your receipt to Fetch for 8,000 points back, making this free. And the limit is 2 of these Jif peanut butters. At least that was mine. Go and make this happen. I know a lot of us are really trying to get some food in our pantry, and who doesn't love peanut butter? I certainly do. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Stay cool. Bye.